Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a really cool minimalist text section from the Hey Hey brand. We're looking at the Our Story page and you see they have a large striking background image, clean typography, and a fun little yellow hand-drawn squiggle highlighting the words, and we want to copy this layout for your store by using Smind Section app. Now, let's jump into your Shopify admin and click Smind Sections. Click the section and choose the Rich Text section on the left side of navigation. Scroll through the available layout options and we see this section that looks exactly like the reference site. Once you find it, just click the Customize button right below it if you did not install this section earlier. You need to install it now. Now that we are inside the theme editor, scroll down the left-hand sidebar menu and click Add Section and type in Rich Text to drop it right into your page layout. By default, this layout comes with a few extra blocks, so we have to remove all of these blocks because we don't actually need it for our minimalist design. Click the little trash can icon to completely remove these blocks. Now we just have our main heading block left to work with, and we have to delete all of its placeholder text and type in your main heading right there. To make specific words stand out, you can highlight them directly inside that text editor box. Select the word that you want to highlight, click the italic icon to give it that stylized look. Now that our text is in there, let's make sure it sits nicely on the page and doesn't stretch too far. Look for the Content Max Width slider and adjust this to control exactly how wide your text container gets. Right below that, use the left-right padding settings to ensure the text doesn't hug the edges of the screen too tightly on smaller devices. Next, we need to change the highlighted style for the text. Click the Style dropdown and choose any style you want, like stencil text, regular underline, fancy underline, text background, text color, and finally we choose the hand-drawn scribble style. You can also choose any label you like. Finally, set your highlight color by clicking the color swatch box to make that yellow line really pop. Let's get our fonts looking right by clicking the Smind Style block on the right panel, then open the Typography block. Here, you can change the typography for your highlight text. Find a specific font family to a beautiful handwritten script to get that unique and custom cursive look. Time to add our photo. Go back to your section layout menu, click Add Block and select Background. Click Select Image, upload your awesome background photo and click Done. Then we need to reveal more of that beautiful background image by adjusting the top padding and bottom padding for this section. You see that your black text blends into the new background image, and we want to remove the background for the container text. We can choose the different color scheme for the content section to color scheme 4 and start to change the transparent background for this color scheme. Click Smind Style blocks and choose Color and find a specific scheme 4 you just chose and remove the background color. And also remove the color block for this section to make sure this color scheme applies correctly to your section. Finally, click on the mobile preview and set the top and bottom padding for this section. Once you're happy with the preview, click the black Save button in the top right corner to publish your changes. All right, we're done. And thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.